Yes, my people. Today I talk about poor people and voting. Poor people and politics. But first, let me run an intro. So yeah, say our poor people do the most voting. And ghetto people. Not everybody in a ghetto bad, but ghetto people do the most voting. And voting them politicians. Yeah. So, I have a thing to tell poor people today. You see the youth them, we're voting them politicians. Yeah? I give you a word of advice. And I tell you something where you need to do. You need to start demand. Say the man them build some better prison. And the one when they have them update them. Upgrade them. My mistake. And fix them good. Put all AC in it. You see the youth them when they run up and down and put up these green flag on the light posts. And put up politician face. Green flag, orange flag, whatever color flag you put up. I have to wonder why they cheer them in the politician place. I not to know where name, if a parliament or house or whatever. Kind of dunks, so. But yeah, white, green, and it's just not a neutral color. But back to it again. Youth man, you no need for demand, say the man they build some proper prison. Cause I own them believe for, they not believe for themselves. They not believe for themselves, they not believe for politicians, they believe for the poor people them. On the same one they ride the look young them and on a climb a light post and staple on them face on it. And one of them believe for black people don't have no sense. I want one piece of boat grass on the head for you learn and have some sense. Look how long you live for your baby till you turn 18, 21, 22. And one of them put up something on the post. And one of them believe for all if you innocent and one of them are put in there. So no need for demand, no need for start go out there, go Black Road again. Not Black Road. Protest. Peaceful protest. My mistake, the people. But no need to start go up on the road and hold some sign for no fellow friends were in there. We are go through sufferation and I lose their mind. Because the treatment is so bad. Where them I give them in there. You can imagine how them are treat the prisoners them. If them are treat you so a road, you can imagine how them are treat them. Oh God. You can imagine an innocent person sit down in there. So. Me listen Motor Baroka on IRFM. February 4th, 2021. It's up on YouTube. Listen to it. If you want to hear the part about the prison, you can just fast forward it up to like around 10 minutes into the program. Motor Baroka, you understand where I'm going. And I think me here like you say, you're going to sit down out there until and let you in that prison so you can see where I'm going, the condition where I'm going. And may I tell you something, black people. You don't need to thanks. You don't need to give all our praises to Indicom. You see, Indicom, you don't need to give them praises. You know, so I told people, say, me really big up Indicom. And me really big up a man who invent condom. We never hear about that man who in there. A different story still. But, Indicom, yeah, me in the comment about the youth them where them having a juvenile when not even commit a crime. So if you have a youth and him just give trouble, a child and him give trouble, a juvenile them put him, them treat him like him convicted. Or even females, like they convicted a child because they might get trouble at home. When them shouldn't have a home where them carry them kids they go. When are convicted, we just need a home and need somebody. Because some of them parents worse than them, that's why they stay that way there now. People better understand that some of these youth are cry out for somewhere a better home to go. Some of these youth who are living at the ghetto need to get away from the ghetto. Them parents carry them in that situation. So back to the story. You need to really demand same set of man where they run up and down for politics. I want to tell you something. You see right after election, my cousin say I want to go check one politician and I carry him go there. And me out to do a stand up. And me hear a man say, yo, I want to talk to the councillor or whatever and be, some politician man. I don't know them, I tell them, I not even try. Tell the true people, I just see what going on in Jamaica. I not try to know them, I just try to know money. I don't have time to think about them. So I don't know if I'm a whatever I be. But I'm a politician. And a man say I want to talk to him. And he say he couldn't get to really talk to him. And he say, you see, when you get man vote and a son or behave, this is right after election, And the man win, So youth, man, underneath it, demand changes. You say, all I want to give her a dub plate. You say, them are locking up. For you do something, you need to get locked up. Any man do something where illegal, need to get locked up. And punished accordingly. I now say, yo, people for do things and get away. But, on a better know, say, yo, you need to start demand. Because then I believe for politician, them believe for owner. And then I believe for dog. Right? So, we just want to know that when we killing at the name of the politician them, and that them have for owner. They not even have a job for owner. Then look at $4,000 for the vote or whatever they give owner. I'm not take it like an idiot. I'm stuck in this situation. Black people suffer like dog down in Jamaica. Yeah. If it wasn't for people, a foreign family member, we have a foreign. I just think about my viewers and subscribers. Suppose no money then come from foreign. The whole of it down here did half already. Because man then just turn up the crime even more. So, I tell you one more time, youth man. Now wait until you reach in there now. No say boy, no AC in here, no good doctor in here, nothing for we do in here. That's another thing. A man them need to have something for doing them in a prison. You can't just sit down in a prison and just a thing so. You don't have nothing to do. No work to occupy your mind. All you can do is sit down and think about what your woman out the road do. And all day long, that's all they have to think about. Nothing to do. Because them not care if you don't have anything to do. Look how much energy them have in there. Then could have a man that raise chicken, cow, and make death. Listen, I'm not go down in it. Watch it. Me have it in my videos them. Just check out that video there. Prison system. Once you subscribe, you just go through the video them. Watch the video them. Now I defend no criminal, but crime I go always go on. Wherever you're going in the world. So we have to have the prisoner to lock up the criminals. But that's still a human being. So that means You have to treat them like human being. You have to have good medical, and you have to treat people like you would want to be treated. So what I always say, my people, be blessed. One God.